All right, Mr. Isaac.
Yes, sir.
I got two questions for you.
Yes, sir.
My first one is when you gonna wash my car? I need it washed. I want to bring it to you.
My first, my first statement is, I told him he could come to me, I come to him, but he still let his girlfriend take his car to the car wash. Like, why y'all doing like that?
Yeah.
You making an excuse up.
I'm sorry.
Now I'm gonna charge you extra $5 for playing with my time.
Oh.
Cause I had you on schedule.
You ain't tell me you had me on schedule.
I had her mom on schedule too.
How you put me on schedule? You ain't tell me.
Cause I don't have to. It's like
You gotta tell me. It's my car.
I had you on schedule for Saturday.
Okay. I'm gonna be in Umbu in a couple weeks. I'm gonna come by. I'm gonna call your mom and we'll schedule it.
I can tell my address, but
Yeah, you ain't gotta give me your address. I'm gonna call your mom.
okay. What's the other question?
All right. What can you share that you learned in the program with others?
That if you come next year, you listen and like I don't know like how to save your money and spend your money wisely.
So what you gonna do with your money? You open up your bank account today. What you gonna do with your money?
Ethicals.
Ethica? The boxes?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. You gonna get money and go buy some boxes?
Yeah, cause like
Mister, he's lying to you. How you gonna order it? How you gonna order it?
my computer, I get DoorDash food in my school.
Now, why would you do that?
Cause I'll be hungry.
That's a lot of money. We just talked about budgeting. You gotta invest some money into the business first before you start buying Ethicas. You can get that for Christmas. Tell your mama to get that for Christmas.
I want my game fits for Christmas.
Okay. Well, we're gonna put the Ethicas at the bottom of the list. We need you to do something else. Okay? Budget the money. Invest the money first.
Go buy a new bucket and
Yeah, you need a bucket.
Cause I have nothing else in my name.
Wait, hold on. How you gonna wash my car and you ain't got a bucket?
Cause I used to throw everything away. I had it since last year.
Oh, so you need new stuff. Okay. Alright. Alright, champ. Good job. Alright. Hey, Mr. Majay. Today I want to talk to you about something that you told me, I think, a couple weeks ago. So you're in dual credit now, right? So are you a ninth grader? Talk to me about dual credit.
I know you heard of like Lone Star College.
Yeah.
I'm in that building, like the college is upstairs and we below, the school is below. And we're taking dual credits and I start my classes actually next semester.
Next semester? Okay.
And it's actually like I got like 3 credits already from just doing one elective period. That way I can graduate early. That's what the whole program is about. So getting close to that, trying to get this out the way. And it's not easy, nowhere near easy at all.
Yeah.
But it's coming along and I like it.
Wow. First off, proud. Definitely proud of you. To be in ninth grade and take a chance like that, or not even a chance, but just take that step means a lot. So I'm assuming that you'll graduate early with an associate's degree. So you will have a degree, high school diploma. You'll probably be done in what, 2 years? What's going to be next after that? What do you want to do after that?
I'm going to cosmetology school.
Cosmetology school? Amazing. I am so proud. Congratulations for one. You're setting the tone. Because when I was in ninth grade, I don't even think I even cared about dual credit. Right? I just wanted to be in a regular school and play sports. But you're taking a step forward, and you're investing into your future at a young age. You're in ninth grade with a mindset like that. I can just imagine what the next 5 to 10 years is going to be like for you. So keep up the great work. I can't wait to see what comes out of this. And I hope this inspires, kids all over to say, hey, I want to go do a dual credit because I can graduate with a degree and my high school diploma. I can go in the workforce. I can go to school. I can go to military. I can go pick up a trade. There's so much that you can do. And I know you have aspirations after school of starting your own business. And when that time comes, what business are you looking to start?
Like outside of braiding?
Well, no, the braiding business. I'm sorry. I know you talked about the braiding business.
It's all in my vision board on my laptop, so I'm gonna have to email it to you.
Okay, yeah, email it to me.
But I'm still class of 2027, but if I finish my classes, I'll be 2026, so I'll graduate in 2 years.
2 years,
Yeah.
Amazing. Students like this, make me feel very excited. You made me feel a little old when you said class of 2027. But that's amazing. The future's very bright for you, and I'm definitely here to support any way that I can. So keep up the great work, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great. All right. Good afternoon, Mrs. Ziza. Today you said something that sparked my interest. You talked about photography. You said you edited pictures. So I want to know, when did you get the inspiration for arts and media?
I got the inspiration when I was 10.
Okay.
And my brother used to paint on the walls.
Oh, really?
And
In
my
the house?
dad, yeah.
Oh, wow, okay.
And my dad would get angry, but then he would like paint over it. And then he would go make a sculpture of what my brother painted. So I was inspired by it, and I was like, I can make art.
Yeah.
So I started doing art when I was 11, and I thought I wasn't good, obviously. And then I got better and better and better and better. And now I'm doing paintings. And actually, I went to a church. The church is called Luke Church. And I sold my paintings, and I made $196 in one day.
Wow.
Off of 2 paintings.
Off 2? Oh, wow.
And my brother made $700.
Wow.
Off of 1.
Wow. I gotta see these paintings. Let me see what I can buy. First off, congratulations. To be a young person and started at a young age, that's a lot of money to make at a young age. And just imagine, like, if you keep going, how much money you can make. You can make thousands of dollars. I see people buy paintings for like thousands of dollars. So the sky's the limit, for you in arts. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years when it comes to arts?
Well, I see myself painting history, painting things that matter to me. I am into fashion, so I want to get into that also. And did you see the movie Sneakerella? I was really inspired by that movie. Sneakerella.
Sneakerella is that like a shoe movie?
Yeah, he makes a shoe and everyone loves it. So I designed a shoe. I could bring it to you next week. But it's a boot, and I just love designing shoes. It's really nice.
Oh, I gotta see that. I love shoes. I'm a sneakerhead.
I see those.
Yeah, I'm a sneakerhead. So definitely, yeah, I want to see that. For you to be into your craft and your passion at a young age is truly outstanding. It's remarkable, and it's super inspiring, because there's thousands, millions of kids who are just like you, and they're just trying to find their way. And for you to know what you want to do and to have a passion for it, and you've actually made some money off of it, it just goes to show you the testament of entrepreneurship and leadership. So I hope this program really sparks your interest and helps you understand how to put it all together as a business. And I can't wait to see you selling your stuff all around the world, not just here in Houston, but all around the world, because there's customers out there that are looking for stuff that you probably have. And I hope this program just helps you position yourself to put it out there to the world. And so with that being said, what is your favorite piece that you've done so far?
Well, it's kind of personal, but my sister died as a baby, so I decided to paint her, and that was the painting that sold.
Really? Wow, that's powerful. Thank you for sharing that, for getting personal. But you put your heart into something like that, and you gave it to the world, and you was able to sell it. That truly means a lot. So don't ever give up that passion for whatever it is that you have, and always give your heart in everything that you do, because we want to buy stuff because we want to support you as a person. So I think if you keep pushing and keep doing what you're doing, you can sell that same painting 10 times over, and that could be a testament to you and your family. So keep up the great work. And I know your brother showed me some stuff. We got to figure out what y'all can paint and what can we put inside here. I got some stuff in mind that we can talk about. So we'll be talking soon and seeing what we can do, and maybe put something on this wall up there. Can you do something like that for us? You can paint something? All right, cool. That sounds good. You got a customer right here in me, so I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Cool. It's TDECU They're a really big credit union here in Texas. They're giving you guys a check-ins and a savings. So he has the application. I think he's only going to need your student ID. So if you don't have it right now, if your parents is bringing it, let him know. And he's probably going to either call you or call your parents and then have y'all fill it out. But just let them know if you don't have it. But your parents do have it. It's just not with you right now. Just let them know what's going on. They'll set it up. I think what happens is once they officially set it up, they mail it to your house. They mail you your card. So you get to pick what type of card you want. They mail a card to your house, and then your account is activated. Once that happens, just have your parents take you up there. Make sure your account is good, and I think you get $50 in your savings. So that's how that's going to work.
The chicken. No, I'm
That's a good question. It's a good question. So you get $50 in the savings. There won't be anything in the checking. But you guys, here in the next few weeks, as we get ready to close the year out, we'll be processing your checks. So you'll get a check for working here at the store. So y'all work today and y'all work the other Saturday. So y'all worked about 8 hours. And you guys are getting paid $10 an hour. So I think each and one of y'all will have a $100 check that y'all will get from us as an organization. And this is just Isaac. That's just a token of appreciation, but it's also showing you what it's like to be a young adult. That's what happens when you work and things like that. So you guys should probably I'm most likely I'm trying to have that to you before way before Christmas. If I can get that to you early December or whatnot, as we finish out business over here for the year. And I can have that for your parents, so I can either mail it to your parents or your parents can bring you guys by, pick it up, whatever. But I'll contact your parents when that's ready. So yeah, you guys will be walking away with that. And then we'll be looking at your business ideas too, and seeing how we can support towards that. So like I said, there's a lot that comes with it. A lot of good information that y'all learned over the last few weeks. So keep up the great work. I think he's on his way because he emailed me. So you guys got about 20 minutes. Hey,
going right here.
Hey, we not done.
Oh.
Man, Isaac, you gotta pay attention.
Right. I'm paying attention. You said we got 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Start walking.
Not yet. So you got about 20 minutes or so. So what y'all can do is y'all can help Mr. Caleb put everything back together. The bank will be here about around 12. You guys got the inventory, right?
Yeah.
Y'all finished? Yeah, if y'all can give me those inventory cards, I need to see how much we had. And then y'all can just probably start, we can keep making videos with the products that y'all want as well, if y'all want to do that. Or, whatever y'all want to do. Y'all got 20 minutes or so just to hang out and chill. And then he's going to have y'all for an hour. He's actually going to be teaching y'all some stuff. So he'll need y'all undivided attention. So that's that. Any questions? All right. Well, y'all help Mr. Caleb put that back together. And if y'all can hand me the inventory stuff when y'all done.